Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key. Here at the fast boot, you have to select option recovery mode, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Here at the recovery mode, you have such options as install software, clear data, check system, shut down and restart. If you want to exit recovery mode, you can shut down your device or you can restart it and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.